Hey there! If you're running into the cannot download photo from your iCloud photo library error on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be. This error usually points to some hiccups with your internet connection or settings linked to iCloud. But don't worry, I've got some simple steps for you to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the issue. Solution 1. Check internet connection. Now, let's make sure you have a solid internet connection. Verify that your iPhone is connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open your browser and run a speed test to check your connection. Now ensure your internet is stable. If your connection is slow, enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Next, disable airplane mode. After that, try switching your internet from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Solution 2. Check iCloud settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, select iCloud. Then tap on Photos. Now make sure that iCloud Photos is turned on. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn it off, then turn it back on. Now restart your iPhone to refresh everything. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. Open the Settings app again, tap on your Apple ID at the top, scroll down and select Sign Out. Follow the prompts to sign out, then sign back in using your Apple ID. Once you're signed back in, try downloading the photo again. Solution 4. Update iOS. Go ahead and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Now check to see if the issue still persists. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app one more time. Scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down again and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Just a heads up, this will wipe out your saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings. By following the steps, you should be able to tackle the cannot download photo from your iCloud photo library error on your iPhone. If the problem is still hanging around, it might be a good idea to reach out to Apple support for some extra help. Good luck!